Hey everyone, we are so close to 300 subs. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and supported our channel and enjoying this insane Nerf war.
Right here, right? Alright guys, me and Malachi are gonna be around here. We kind of are not that good because people are right there, but we got the good loot.
Hey, don't close that door. Don't close. No, like put a chair by it so they can't come in.
You do it.
I'm gonna take tack SMG and tack. Most likely, we have a long range gun right there and a close range gun right there, medium range. So I'm gonna use tack mostly, but back.
Alright guys, so we got pretty much all our guns. Me and Raya. That's okay, they're coming in hot.
I think that works.
We got Arden in the body, guys. So that's 4. Arden is nice, Malky! Nice, Malky! Okay, guys, me and Malky both hit him in the body, so they are both at 6 hits left.
Alright guys, so we just set up this base right here. We're setting up right here. They've peeked in a few times to shoot. Right now we have this SCAR, tac SMG, sniper, suppressed pistol, and a deagle that he has way over there.
You get that side, I get this side. Don't let them come in. We're in the worst position possible. They're pushing both sides.
Okay, now we're good. Alright guys, me and Malky got our fort now. Watch out. Oh, it just goes. Chris, give me one. I've never had those. People say it's like the best candy. Thanks. Alright. Malky, watch out behind you.
Alright guys, so we're setting up a few bases right there. So far they've come out of those 2 doors right there. None of us have been hit yet, I don't know about them. Yes, I hit Malachi! That hit you!
No, wait, sit right there. Sit right there. And watch the door. Right. Did he get you? Was that Joel or Matt? Dude, Joel potentially has like 6 already. I hit him with the 2. Actually, no, I hit him with 3. This goes 3. 7.
Don't waste the ammo. Malky, Malky! Take the shot! Do it!
Alright guys, so Joel's gonna open up that door. He's gonna run through here, hide behind there, and we're both gonna start shooting.
Okay. No, you guys go over there, or we're gonna go this way, okay?
I got this side!
Rush! Oh! Is he loaded? Loaded? Shut the door.
Right here.
Joel, the head!
Alright guys, full base right here. Go over and try and get some hits. They're right there, guys. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna go sniper. I'm gonna go help Joel. Did you get hit? Okay. Right, what are you doing? Oh, just
Right.
Guys, rush him on the other side! Rush him!
He came in and tried to rush, but I think he came back out. Right. I need sniper. Sing recording.
Yep. He's gonna open up the door pretty soon.
I got hit. Matt.
You're dead?
Oh no, I don't even know what's going on over here.
I'm really trusting you right now. If you can kill me, I can kill you.
I have one health left. What is this dude? Oh, what? He's going hot. What the fuck? Why is he coming in so hot?
Joel's over there, Joel's over there.
Started, send it to join.
What the fuck? So, they think that I'm teaming them. I said I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna come on their team, and I'm gonna kill both of them. Okay, go.
I'm really trusting you right now. If you could kill me, I can kill you.
I have one health left. What am I supposed to do? Joel, get Joel! Get Joel! Get Joel! Get Joel! Get Joel! He's fat! He's fat! Matt! I died.